Most people waste $80 on the wrong air fryer. They end up with uneven cooking, flimsy baskets, and instant buyer's remorse. We tested 8 different models under $100. Real food, real heat, real results. From Cosori to Ninja, we put every model through its paces across multiple cooking tests. In this video, we're telling you exactly which ones are worth your money in 2026. No sponsored content, no brand deals, just the honest, unfiltered truth so you spend wisely the first time. Here's the problem. Walk into any store and you'll find shelves full of air fryers all claiming to be the best. But cheap build quality means hot spots, burnt food, and baskets that warp after 3 months of regular use. Worse, some models use coatings that degrade dangerously at high heat. You don't need to spend a fortune, but you do need to buy smart. Most people skip the research entirely and regret it within weeks. That ends today. That's exactly why AirFryerGuidance built the definitive 2026 buying guide for air fryers under $100. We tested 8 models using a strict methodology, evaluating cooking performance, basket quality, ease of cleaning, and real value for money. We measured temperature precision, assessed capacity, and logged real-world usability across multiple meal types. The result is a curated shortlist of top performers that actually deliver on their promises. No filler, no fluff, just the models that passed every test. Let's get into the top picks right now. First up, the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze air fryer with ceramic coating. This is our top overall pick for 2026. It runs on TurboBlaze technology for powerful, fast, and even heating across its 6-quart ceramic-coated basket. That ceramic coating delivers up to 95% less oil and a genuinely non-stick surface that cleans in seconds. It covers 9 cooking functions: frying, baking, roasting, reheating, and more. Versatile, well-built, and consistently high-performing in every test we ran. If you want one machine that does it all under $100, this is it. Next, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Air Fryer. When you're cooking for a family, capacity is everything. This model steps up with a larger cooking chamber built for serious batch cooking. The Smart Cook system uses a built-in thermometer to monitor food internally, delivering perfectly cooked chicken and steak every time. No guesswork required. It consistently outperformed similarly priced models in our temperature accuracy tests. For households that air fry 4 or more times a week, the Smart XL is a genuine performance upgrade that justifies every dollar. Third on our list, the Ninja 4-in-1 Air Fryer Compact in gray. Don't let the size fool you. This model covers 4 cooking modes: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, in a footprint that fits even the tightest countertops. It's the ideal pick for singles, couples, or anyone with limited kitchen space who still demands real air fryer performance. The compact design sacrifices zero temperature control or cook quality. It ran clean, consistent results across every test. Simple, reliable, and genuinely great value for everyday cooking. Finally, the Ninja Foodi DualZone 8-quart air fryer. This one changes the game completely. 2 independent cooking zones let you air fry chicken in one basket and roast vegetables in the other at different temperatures at the same time. The DualZone technology syncs both baskets to finish simultaneously, so your entire meal is ready at once. At 8 quarts total capacity, it's one of the largest options available under $100. If you meal prep regularly or feed a busy household, this is your smartest buy. AirFryerGuidance exists to cut through the noise in the kitchen appliance space. Every review follows a strict testing methodology. We evaluate each model on real cooking performance, build quality, temperature accuracy, ease of cleaning, and overall value for money. We don't just read the box. We cook actual food, log actual results, and document every finding in detail. Our 2026 guide covers all 8 air fryers with honest pros and cons for each one. No brand bias, no affiliate pressure, just data-driven recommendations you can rely on before you spend a single dollar. Ready to stop guessing and start cooking smarter? Visit airfryerguidance.com right now to read our full 2026 breakdown of all 8 tested models. You'll find detailed pros, cons, key specs, and direct links to buy every model we reviewed. Whether you want the versatile Cosori TurboBlaze, the family-size Ninja Foodi DualZone, or the space-saving Ninja 4-in-1, your perfect air fryer is one click away. Drop your questions in the comments below. Like this video if it saved you time. Subscribe so you never miss another honest kitchen appliance review.